Hello, and welcome to another edition of Coffee Talk with immigration attorney Brian D Lerner. In this set of videos, we're talking about 245I and all of the various ramifications of 245I. Now, there's a unique problem that occurred with some people, and that you probably want to fight the result in order not to take the consequences. And this is what happened. Of course, April 30th, 2001 was the deadline. Thousands and thousands of applications went in. And in order to prove you're under 245I, the easiest way to do it is, you'll have a receipt notice from immigration, which at the time was INS, today would be USCIS, or the local employment agency, and it would have a box in the receipt notice saying receipt date, and of course it would say April 30th, 2001, April 29th, 2001, whatever it was. That date is what you would look at. Now, many times, because there was thousands and thousands of applications, I know in one day, um, they received up to 50,000 applications or more. Um, they had to process them. So immigration on some applications didn't actually get them processed until after April 30th, 2001, even though they were sitting there in the mailroom under the law there before April 30th, 2001. You would get a receipt notice that would say something to the effect receipt date May 5th or May 1st, 2001. And of course, if that were the case, you're not under 245I. Now, if you were smart about it and sent it FedEx or UPS or next day air and you have a receipt notice, um, what you need to do now is first you need to write immigration to see if they will reissue the receipt notice with the corrected date, which I can almost guarantee you they're not going to voluntarily do it, but at least you're making a good faith effort. And then when you get the letter back from them basically saying you've got to be kidding, we're not going to backdate this, that's when you need to bring a lawsuit. You need to bring a lawsuit against immigration in order to properly give the receipt notice of when it was received so you get under 245I. And the reason for this is if you don't do that, you're not under 245I, you'll have to consulate process, and there's a significant possibility you're going to have to leave the United States for 10 years before coming back. That by itself would be sufficient reason to file a lawsuit against immigration if this is your particular case. Okay, more coming in other videos.